My name is Courtenay Nold. My military background, I had like 1 month short of 15 years. Navy Reserve and active duty, and the active duty part I actually served like 5 years. So I had quite a bit of active time for a reserve person as well. I had 2 big deployments and multiple smaller deployments, not to sensitive areas or war zones. One of them was a year in South Korea, and the other one was Afghanistan, Kandahar airfield. With the tub, you have to worry about stability. I have a bad knee, and stepping over and being worried about slipping or something like that. That was a big thing for me. In the bathroom, we had just a regular tub, not really anything set up with traction or anything like that. And we were just using one of those plastic things on the bottom of the tub. I mean, I know why I was nominated for this, but being specific on that answer, I have a hard time with. I don't remember who got the call, but when I heard about it or spoke to someone about it, and again, memory issues I have, I was pretty excited about it, but I also, my first thought when I heard about it is like, okay, I don't deserve this, somebody else does. Just based on the type of service I had and things like that. But the Commodore of the 3rd Naval Construction Regiment never allowed me off base. And there was, I think, only a couple women who did allow off the base. So I basically was there for target practice, I guess. It's nice to have something set up that it's easy access. Especially, now and down the road. It's a really good thing to have. It's basically walk-in shower. And it also provides more space than the last one did, which is always nice. And having the bars to grab onto if I need to or anything like that. And then the extra traction on the floor and the seat is nice too. Not having to step over helps a lot.